Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GeForce Experience can't optimize games and application on this PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. In search you just need to type GeForce Experience. If you find anything, just right click on it and select end task. After that just close stuff here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to find a NVIDIA Corporation folder. Double click on it. Double click on the GeForce Experience. Right click on the chef cache. Just right click on it and delete it. Now you just need to close stuff here and open up GeForce Experience. You just need to select the setting gear icon and select games. On right side you just need to make sure to check mark this automatically optimize newly added games and go to home and select the three dot icon and select scan for games and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Sign method, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows firewall. Click on open it. Just need to select change settings. Select allow another app. Select browse. Just need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files, NVIDIA Corporation folder, and NVIDIA GeForce Experience folder. Now you just need to select the NVIDIA GeForce Experience.exe and select open. Select the add option. After adding the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, you just need to check mark both option guys, private and public. After that, click on OK. Now you can open the GeForce Experience and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type GeForce Experience. Select uninstall option. Search GeForce in here. Select the three dot icon and select uninstall. Once you get uninstall done, you can check my video description for the download link. Select the download now option and download the latest GeForce Experience. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.